Hey, good morning, Jose. This is Ryan with Five Knots Digital Marketing. Like I said this morning when I spoke to you, I just wanted to shoot you over a quick video just to give you some tips and tricks on some things you can do with your business. Right now, just to, it would help increase traffic online. It would help to get a little more online presence, ultimately leading to get you guys some more leads and get you some more business and help you to grow the business. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into it. And the three main things we're going to discuss today is your content on your webpage, which I know you don't have a website, but I'll show you a few examples. And then your citations, which is I'll get into, and then your backlinks. So, the first thing I did was typed in Fence Companies Okeechobee, and this is the Google Maps section. This is ultimately where you want to be as a business or a small business because anytime somebody's searching for your services or any other services, whether it's fencing or plumbing or electrical work, the top three people in this map pack are what get 96% of the business. Okay, so anybody coming into Google to search for your business is going to be clicking on one of these top three people. So as far as the content goes, I pulled up Adrian Fence is really your main competitor, and they're a large fence company that kind of services more than just Okeechobee. But I want to show you their website. Um, and to give you an example, see, Google wants 1,500 to 2,000 keywords or words of content on your page, and that includes your images, that includes your reviews, that includes all the text that you have. So, they're doing a pretty good job of it. And the thing about this page is this is actually just their Okeechobee page. Their main Adrian Fence page has a huge homepage that's giving them a lot of notoriety through Google, and that's ultimately what you'd want to do and what we'd want to get you ranked for. So again, 1,500 to 2,000 words. That includes images, that includes your text, and you want to put in keywords and key phrases that people are using to search for fence services, whether it's fence repair or fence companies near me or any other keyword phrases that's going to help to get some more traffic to the site once you get the site up and published. And then the second thing I want to talk about is the citations. Okay. And a citation is really as simple as how your business is listed throughout the internet. So, how it's listed in different directories. And that just includes your business name, your phone number, and your address and how it's listed. So, I use this paid tool called White Spark, and this gives me all of your, and I can also search any of your competitors' citations that they're using right now. So, to give you an idea, right now you have 5 citations. So that means your business is listed in 5 different directories throughout the internet. Now, I do have some of these blurred just for privacy policies while I shoot these videos, but the beauty about this tool is I can look at your citations and then I can go into a competitor and let's just pick Fence Pros here at the Treasure Coast because they don't only serve Vero Beach, they serve other areas. They have 21 citations. Okay. So the beauty of this is I can go in here to their citations and I can see them, but we can just simply apply to get you listed on these citations on these pages, whether it's Yahoo, Zoom Info, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Facebook, you name it. And that's going to help build your notoriety on Google. That's going to help get you listed a little higher on that map pack. And so, like I said, while they have these, it's a very attainable goal. And we don't want to just get 21 to match your competitors. We want to get 30 or 40 so that you guys are not only, have more, but you're blowing them and any other competition out of the water so that, you guys are the ones being found on Google. Um, which, as I mentioned, this map pack is a huge deal to get into. And I know that you're listed in second or third place right now, which is a great start. But see, some things that we'd want to change is your Google business page. A huge thing Google wants to see is images. They want to see that, you guys are the authority in the space. They want to see your work. They want to see testimonials, reviews, which you do have 6 great reviews, and that's awesome. But that's another thing you'd want to showcase on your website. And as far as your Google business page goes, this is where those citations are really going to help to get this Google business page ranked on this map pack a little higher. There's some other tips and tricks that we can utilize, like adding in some more keyword phrases, giving a better description of the company. That'll allow you to stuff in some keywords and some more keyword phrases that people are using to search for your businesses. Um, and the last thing I want to talk about is your backlinks. So a backlink, just think of it like a popularity contest, okay? So basically, site A is pointing to site B, or in this case, it'd be your site. Site you would be site B, and those backlinks or referring domains from site A going to your site are giving you power essentially. And the thing about backlinks is they're not all created equal, okay? You want authoritative and quality backlinks. So this company, I use Adrian Fence as an example. They have 896 backlinks. I'm not able to do this search on you because this only pulls up a business URL to get that information, which right now you don't have the website. So I'm not able to pull that up on your company. But again, this is another paid tool I use, and it's very helpful because I can click right in these backlinks. I can see exactly where they're getting the power from. So Balcony Garden, Home Advisor, expertise.com, Angie.com. Again, this is a helpful tool because we can go right in here and see exactly the kind of backlinks that they're getting and get those same type of backlinks for you. And it works just like citations where we don't want to just get, 896. We want to get 1,000. We want to get 1,200 backlinks. We want to get more power than what they have to get you guys listed higher on that map pack. So just to give you an idea, they got roughly 334 keywords right now on their homepage or on their website in total. And that's given them, on average, 71 visits per month to their site. Now, I'm pretty sure, and I'm sure you can agree that if you had a website and you were getting an additional 71 people coming to your site looking for services, that would help you out and help to grow the business. So ultimately, backtrack to kind of give a quick overview again of what we discussed. It's going to be your content on your website and homepage, specifically homepage, where you want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and that also includes images. Your citations, we want to not only get the 21 or 30 that your competitors have. We want to get you from five well over that to maybe 40 or so. And then again, your backlinks, that's going to be site A pointing to site B to give your site power. We want to build up those backlinks as we build out that web page to make sure you guys are getting the notoriety you deserve on Google and getting you found over here on this map pack. Ultimately leading to more clients, ultimately leading to more business, ultimately helping you guys out and growing the business. So I hope this video was helpful, Jose. I don't want to take up a ton of your time. Like I said, all my contact information will be in the email signature, which I'll send over with the link to this video. If you have any questions for me or would like to discuss anything or anything that popped out to you, I'd love to hear your feedback on the video. I look forward to speaking to you and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.